Welcome back to Primetime News, and a very special welcome to those of you online at onespotmedia.com as well as on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. We begin this evening with worrying news for the construction industry. Some hardware suppliers across the island are experiencing a cement shortage. According to reports, Carib Cement Company, the country's leading supplier of the product, has been unable to satisfy the cement demand in the market. It's understood that over the last 2 weeks, haulage operators were turned away from Carib Cement's Rockfort-based plant due to the unavailability of the product. In a release on Sunday, Carib Cement said it's working to replenish inventories as quickly as possible. The company says the passage of Hurricane Beryl and the subsequent response to ongoing relief efforts resulted in faster consumption of the initial inventories. Carib Cement says it anticipates a return to normal inventory levels in the coming days.